Yeah, how to solve the Rubik's Cube in this scenario. That's a H, yeah, that's yellow. If I put Velcro on it. This is a four-piece middle move, so I go from here to put them on diagonal, yeah, these two. To do that, let's just clear side, right? So you've got three completed sides. Right? I'll start from there, four-piece middle. Which gives me that, which is it's a three-piece middle anyway. If I do it like that, I won't be able to finish the cube. So three-piece middle from the completed side. Got that, which is 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Yeah. Start from the four-piece middle from the 12. Then a three-piece middle from anywhere. Then a three-piece middle from the completed side.